biker doing over 100 miles an hour on the freeway, running red lights, almost hitting an SUV, just another LA high-speed chase. But when he put his feet on the seat, that was more than some could stand.
Look at this guy, look at this guy, look at this, look at this. He is totally showing off.
Some thought the biker even took a selfie, but close up, it looked like a rude gesture to pursuing police. Media choppers buzzed above. It was breaking news without brake lights. This viewer couldn't contain himself. Ooh-wee. At one point, the biker ended up at a dead end.
We're back to another episode of this fucking vlog shit that I want to fucking do for you guys. But turns out this shit's fucking harder than it fucking seems, bro. Like, you gotta fucking do this shit like on a fucking daily type of thing. Like, y'all guys want to know when I fart and shit. Fuck. One of the homies just called me about an hour ago to head over to his pad. He's got a bitchin' brand new Banshee that he picked up right now. So I'm gonna go check that out. We're all gonna go riding Saturday. So that should be fun. I mean, I'm inviting a bunch of fucking people. So I mean, should be a dope turnout. Saturday it is. So I'm gonna hype you guys up till Saturday. You guys gonna see what we do.
6 shit. 4 carbon fiber on the inside though.
Oh shit. What's that for?
It's for the gas flow, like more gas flow to the carbs.
Onto like.
Yeah.
So the car's open for racing?
Yeah, but you just gotta park like 6 feet apart, like from everybody, or like at a minimum of 6 feet. And yeah, pretty much you can do whatever you want. I mean, you're not fucking. It's not like a contact sport or anything, you know.
Yeah.
What year is this one? 2002.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
What's up, you fucking bitch?
What are you doing?
I just woke up like an hour ago. I came to like my friend's house.
I was looking at on your story that video. That video you did for Ryan looked really clean.
Oh yeah, that one was dope, but it wasn't like for anything, you know. I just did it just to do it. But
Yeah, basically that's it, man. The filter. Why you doing all the fucking mix,
the Kool-Aid.
Always look at this is for 2.5 gallons, so you mix it 40 to 1 to 2.5 gallons, or you could do 30. Let's see, 40. You could do 36 or 38. You do 38. I usually do more for alcohol.
That's that good shit right there. High tech.
It's the shit you be drinking every day, dude. You drink motor oil. Fucking motor oil. Fuck.
100 an ounce.
That's how I'm always feeling. Por eso anda todo pilas all day. Fucking runs on 2-stroke oil. fucking cringe as fuck, huh? Fucking it's Saturday, the day before Easter. And we're out here in Johnson Valley. But fucking Panda fucking doesn't even know where he's going. He's lost. But fuck it, we're out here trying to find some motorcycle races for the weekend. We got the bike in the back. And we're in the middle of fucking nowhere. I don't even know where we're going. How many hours was that?
Fucking 2.
More, dick! Plus the fucking drive through these fucked up ass roads, dick. Oh shit! Oh, but that's dope. Look, they got the fucking the drag strip set up. Finally made it. This fucking asshole. This fucking puto got us lost for 3 hours. I don't even know where we're at. I don't even know if it's hot. There's snow. There's clouds.
But did you die?
No. And there's a lot of fun going around. Scared. Should I race him? I'm about to race this little fuck. Instantly, like, adrenaline rush. Oh my god, what's up, baby girl? And I'm not. Yeah.
I am. Super ready. Oh, no more.
Scared. 'Cause if I fucking launch bad, I'm gonna end up on my ass. He's got fucking 4 wheels. Like a fucking bike on training wheels. You gonna get hurt on that shit. It's for girls. This is a motherfucking. This is what you get when you're a man. You know what I'm saying? That's for like beginners, you know?
Toma, way to beginners.
You buy shit like that when you wear weenie chokers. The Spider-Man one. Or the Pikachu one. We got Chato out here. Probably got the fastest bike out here. Chato got them both. You ready?
Hasta esa flag, okay? Hasta esa flag. Step on it.
Step on it straight.
Okay? You gotta tell you guys if you guys are ready. When you guys are ready, say yes, and then look at the light. Okay?
You ready?
Hasta esa flag, okay? Hasta esa flag. Step on it.
Step on it straight.
Okay? You gotta tell you guys if you guys are ready. When you guys are ready, say yes, and then look at the light. Okay? Catching him.
Battle of the mini razors. The flag man.
Ready? Okay.
The flag man.
Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va, ahí va.
That left lane is fast.
¿Este de acá?
Yeah, the gold one. Güey, ¿cómo conseguiste trabajo, güey?
Ah, puta, tírame. El coronavirus está cabrón,
Sway, Dick, where you at?
Right here, big dog. We stole these from the hospital.
When?
Hit a mean lick, fool.
He hit a leg for the fucking new mask. This one has a new mask all the time.
All day.
She got some PWKs on it?
Tell them 150, fool.
I don't think they were. Huh? You're running PWKs?
Yeah, 41.5.
What's up? My camera had died over at the races out in the desert. But yeah, I mean, I've been pretty tired since then. That day was awesome. Turned out to be a fucking crazy day. Yeah, I mean, I'm barely waking up. That was Saturday, it is now Friday. I'm barely waking up. Being out in the sun all day, riding motorcycles, living the life, living the dream. It gets tiring, bro. Boom, just like that.
No.
Got a fucking haircut.
No, whip bun, whip bun.
We're back with this fucking moron. Fucking white guy.
You're gonna eat it with the bun?
Yeah, I'm
Oh, I eat the bun.
No, but it's one meal. It's not the whole day.
It doesn't
Jay.
matter, it's fine. It's only one
Oh my
bun.
god. Like a married couple.
What are you guys getting?
Can I get
Lower
a,
my window right here.
Sorry, can I get a burger with? Stop!
Fuck you, bitch. Domestic violence on camera.
You know what? I think people think that you hit me in our building.
And
No.
I
Every
think so
time I'm
too.
in the elevator, he goes. It's not very
Not
nice.
that hard.
Call the most famous person you have on your contact list. And I'll call mine.
Alright.
Lil Tay. Ah, shit.
It's ringing.
Somebody's calling me. Yo, what up?
Yo. Yeah, I was told to call the biggest pussy on my phone, so it's my phone.
Oh, fuck off, bro. Who the fuck is this? You got the wrong number, bro. Sorry.
I thought you were calling Little Tay because I saw the T and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. You're
Little
playing
Tay.
along.
We're playing a hamburger protein style, 2 fries, 1 is light, and 2 drinks. Total will be $25.35, please.
Nice, thank you.
You go ahead and... Would you like a receipt?
What was that?
Would you like the receipt?
Sure, sorry. I just got lost in your eyes.
Oh.
They're so pretty.
Thank you. And here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, have a nice day.
You mind writing your number on that?
No, I'm sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Aw, man.
Thank you.
You wouldn't want 2?
I'm sorry?
2 of them?
No.
No? You guys are fucking dumb.
No credibility.
Okay, I'll be honest. The last time you said it with the dog, and I was like, this shit was like.
I was driving for 30 minutes.
I was like, how far were you?
Fuck off.
What is this? Here's your soggy fries. The hell is soggy. Soggy like my nuts.
As always, we give you the letters R, T, S, L, N, E. We just need 3 more consonants and a vowel.
Okay, I'd like a B, an N, and a G.
And the vowel?
An O, please.
Okay, well, looks like you're gonna get a lot of help here. Category is people who annoy you. Audience, keep quiet, please.
Well,
10 seconds, Mr. Marsh.
I know it, but I don't think I should say it.
5 seconds, Mr. Marsh.
All right, I'd like to solve the puzzle. Niggers! Huh? Oh. Oh, naggers, of course. Naggers. Right.
Can we cut to,
Common mistake is. Oh shit, point the camera over there. What's going on over there? What the fuck are they doing? Are they gonna fuck?
Oh shit.
Is he strangling her?
Can they see me? Or is this?
Guys, Joey Salads here.
What's up, guys? Joey Salads here with another episode of. Oh no, cut.
Jose Ensalada. Mexican salads.
Hola, amigos. Yo soy Jose Ensaladas. Let's say what's up to our little Shardy. Shardy. Hey, what's up, man? What the? Good over there, girl, with the face mask and everything, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah. I just finished filming. I think I already said that. This vlog shit isn't going too good for me. I already ran out of ideas. Un flyby, hazme un flyby.
¿Qué te parece ahorita? Que hagan una pinche bolsa llena de aluminio así, una pinche oro para llevar.
Hola. Ah,